Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your Temu account, right? It's very easy. You have to just open your Temu account here. Once you open your Temu mobile application, you have to just go to your use section. Once you go use section, which is in the bottom middle, right? You will just click on OK and I will close this and I will click on sign in or register, right? And here I will get this option to sign in and here you will get this below trouble sign in, right? In a small. So just click over there. Once you click over there, you can just get this option whether you want to reset your password or find your account. So to do it, we will just click on find your account, right? And here provide email address to find account. If you know the email address, then you can just choose this option. If you know the phone number, then just click on here, or if you have ID or something, you can just click here. So we'll just enter our email address here and I will enter my email address here, right? For example, let's say this one, and I will just click on find account. If the account is made by this email address, then we will able to find this account, right? Please click the smaller blue circle truncated cone. So we'll just do one thing, right? And once you click on find account, you will have to enter the password or they will send you a code to your email address. So just copy the code and enter over here and then you will able to recover your account. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.